Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ada, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I mix together my favorite deep conditioner slash protein treatment with a fenugreek paste. And if you guys want to know how I made this fenugreek paste, I do have a video about that, and I'm going to leave that in the description box below. And so I'm going to mix it up because I tried it alone before and it was way too much protein for my protein sensitive hair, but I really love the benefits of fenugreek, so I really wanted to see how it would work if I mix the two together. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. My hair feels super soft because I tried an amazing clay wash from Flora Curl. If you guys haven't seen that video, go ahead and watch that as well. And here is the paste. I love the consistency. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin. And I'm starting on damp hair with warm water and just with small to medium sections just to make sure I cover each strand. And I'm noticing that it's not the best detangler, but it is much better than using it alone. And the consistency is perfect because it does absorb into my hair, as you guys will see a little bit later on in the video. And once I'm done with that section, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in twist and move on to the next section. And so it was really easy to apply. And the thing is with fenugreek, it has like this kind of like a film forming, like kind of slimy texture to it. And I was still able to kind of notice it even though I mixed it in with a deep conditioner. So the only thing that I don't like about that is that it's not the easiest to wash off, but it was a lot easier to wash off mixed with the deep conditioner. And this is a really light protein treatment, but I also consider the Miele Organics one to be kind of like a deep conditioner treatment as well. That's why I decided to mix these two together. I still wanted to treat my hair into a protein treatment, but not too strong of one. So I thought this would be the perfect mix. And so I'm going to have a full commentary review at the end when I wash it off. I'm going to talk about the benefits and how my hair felt and all that. So stay tuned towards the end. I'm going to go ahead and pin my hair up into a clip and cover that up with a plastic cap and set underneath the hooded dryer for about half an hour to 45 minutes. If you don't have a hooded dryer, you can always use a thermal cap or just even a plastic cap, anything that provides more heat into your hair. So this is what my hair is looking like after I got out of the hooded dryer, and I kind of let it air dry for a bit as well. And so I did notice that a lot of it did absorb into my hair strands. And now I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. I'm gonna talk to you guys about how my hair feels. Okay, you guys, so I just rinsed out the deep conditioner mix, and I'm telling you guys, my hair has never felt this soft, but also strong, but like a soft strong, if you know what I mean. So I am gonna play around with this mixture, but I definitely feel like I'm going to start combining the two, the fenugreek paste with a deep conditioner more often. It felt like too much protein in my hair when I just did the fenugreek. Definitely a lot of curl definition like crazy though, so you know that it's definitely strengthening your hair. I would definitely use that probably for like the front pieces of my hair, because usually I need more protein for the front pieces because my hair is more finer in texture and it's less protein sensitive than the rest of my hair. So I feel like with the coarse part of my hair, I won't be able to use fenugreek as often, but I'm really loving the mix, you guys. I am gonna start using fenugreek paste a lot more often. I also wanted to mention too, when I did just use the paste by itself, I did notice that it was a lot harder to wash off. Like I seen a couple of little like flakes and residue throughout my hair, like when I applied the wash and go after. So I didn't like that as well. With this one, it was definitely a lot easier to wash out. It's super easy to make the paste. It's super easy to combine it with whatever conditioner you have. So yeah, this is it, you guys. Let me just show you guys my hair. My hair, I just kind of washed it off, so I didn't want to like fully dry it. I want to show you guys exactly what it looked like right after washing my hair. But yeah, I'm really liking the results so far. But let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about the results? Have you guys ever used the fenugreek paste by itself, or have you guys ever mixed it with other ingredients like a conditioner or oils or whatever? Next, I'm gonna try like a leave-in spray and a tea rinse as well. Let me know in the comments below, how have you guys tried fenugreek? So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed my video, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.